this is, huh? I feel like this is kind of my hometown now. I've been told we've been adopted. Well, thank you again, Pop, and the band and everybody. It's a lot of fun. You know, we had to throw one cover into this, and it's kind of relevant. You know, I don't know if you know, but Bryan Adams shot he shot all the album cover for the Chickenfoot album, right? And Bryan was here about a year ago, and we're sitting backstage after the show with Dad and the family, and Bryan's going, man, you know, God, I just worship you. I used to sing you all the time, you know, trying to match your range and this and that. And I thought, what a trip, because I used to do that to Bryan Adams. You know, so I said, shit, you guys, you got to do a Bryan Adams song. Come on. End of the summer, you know, summer of '69. Come on. I got my first real 6 string, born at the 5 and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. It was the summer of '69. Feeding the songs from school. We had a band and we tried real hard. I bought a crib and Vic got married.